Hi there, welcome to my channel where I'll talk about anything recreational and motivational about health. And if you might like my videos, please hit that like button and hit the subscribe button for many videos to come. Hi there, in this video I would like to share my views on the use of protein shakes as an additional source of macronutrient. How can it be beneficial and harmful sometimes? So anyways, if you're excited for this video, please hit that like button. So these protein shakes are bought as the following brands: the Pro Matrix and the Stacker. Both of them has a price of about 2,000 per 5 pounds. So anyways, I am not advertising any product here. I just like to have my reviews on these products. And also, I would like to clear things out. I am not an expert. I am not a seasoned bodybuilder. Well, I just like to share my experiences for using these protein shakes for about a year now. So anyways, let me talk about the food block content and also the calorie content. So here it is. The Pro Matrix strawberry flavor in food blocks has the protein of 3 and a fat block of 1. On contrary, the Stacker one in food blocks has a protein block of 4 and a fat block of 1 only. So both of them are the same scoop. Well, according to one, has 32 grams and the other is 35 grams. So also in calories, the protein on the Pro Matrix strawberry flavor has 92 calories. The carbohydrates has 14 calories. And the fat has 18 calories. Now let's go to the Stacker again with the following calories. At one scoop, the protein has 100 calories. The carbohydrates has 14 calories and the fat has 14 calories. Anyways, the protein shakes that I mentioned here are the ones that are common. They are mostly the most cheapest of available here in the Philippines. As you can see, the following are about 0 blocks of carbohydrates. That is why they are called protein shakes. They are mainly a supplement for our protein needs. Also, they serve as enhancer to boost our muscle growth in case you are bodybuilding. So now let's discuss about the taste. The Pro Matrix strawberry has the sweet scent of strawberry in it. It has this white visible tinge when you look at it, but when added to water through your shaker, it becomes a color pink. Regarding its taste, I practically don't like the strawberry flavor on it. I mean, I love strawberries in fruit shakes, but to add this in this type of drink, for me, it doesn't really fit. Well, that is in my opinion. So in my experience, the Pro Matrix strawberry has a lot of solid residues in it as compared to the Stacker one. Well, I think that can be avoided anyways because they are dried and they are produced into powder form. I mean, I think some insoluble particles are also there. So in terms of satiety or the fullness in our belly, it's best to drink this protein shake accompanied by solid food. Well, if you ask me why, they don't fill my gut too much. I mean, on a fully empty stomach, it wouldn't be a good advice to consume these protein shakes alone. Say if you are hitting the gym, it would be best to eat something solid. You're going to the gym after you just eaten the solid food, you may wait for 1 hour until your fullness lessen itself and drink this protein shake. Also, if you would prefer to consume this protein shake after the workout, it would be best also if you eat something solid too and then drink this protein shake. Actually, it doesn't really matter if you drink the protein shake on, before, or after this workout that you will consider. Well, really, there are no rules in consuming this supplement. It can be consumed on, before, or even after. And also, some even say that when you drink these protein supplements, they will never be consumed today. They will be consumed tomorrow. Why is that? Because our bodies digest foods and also those food drinks that we have in a daily basis. So what you eat today will just be consumed and the nutrients will just be consumed by the body later on. Well, anyways, we don't really focus on that thing, but because we focus on the result. So what we want is to burn the excess fats while the muscles are having muscle retention. And if these results are met, then you are on the right track of your protein supplements and dieting. Now then, let's continue to discuss about the rules to follow in drinking these protein shakes. So number one is protein shake. Boost protein intake in the body. So if you want to less your body fat with proper diet, and these supplements can be a good investment. Let's go to number two. Protein shake should not be substituted for a meal. So for example, if you are undergoing a diet, and for the last part of your day, a scoop or two of this protein shake will already complete your calorie requirement for the day. And you consume only the shake itself. And you know that is not a good habit. Why is that? It's because of the reason number three. Reason number three is protein shakes taken without strenuous activities and any exercise can result in kidney stones formation. Why is that? Why the kidney stones is connected to these protein shakes? Well, these are the reasons. Take note of this. Protein shakes are just supplements. If taken without this measure, this can be bad for your health. Well, I can recommend a video for you here in the description, and I can recommend this video for early signs of kidney stones. In that video, the kidney stone formation and treatments are discussed in detail on what you can have as a natural medication, especially in this time of pandemic lockdown. Well, it's only for early stages because I can't really, I think the overdeveloped kidney stones are hard to already treat, so you need a doctor for that. So anyways, just watch the video and hope that it becomes useful for you. So anyways guys, that's all for this video. And as far as I can recommend, protein shakes are not bad for your health. Just make sure you get the right amount of vitamins and minerals requirement for each day. That's of course the right calorie amount. Well, take my precaution and continue on building your own dream body. So anyways, for protein products, I would recommend a high quality protein content. Well, high quality protein products have also a high amount of price. It has higher amount than what I've discussed in this video. Anyways, just look for the good reviews and also look at the nutritional data. And as always, don't forget to like my videos and subscribe for more. And always remember, eat better, track it better, and be better. Thank you so much for watching and hope that you enjoy. This is Ray signing off.